we can see the regular expression. What is regular expression means? We have already seen MFA, DFA, epsilon NFA. The language accepted by MFA, DFA and epsilon NFA is known as regular language. That is, these machines accept only regular languages. The regular languages will be made up of regular expression. So the combination of the connection between regular expression and these machines are each are depend each other. If there exists a NFA, that is string that is accepted by NFA, then it will be regular expressions. Equal regular expression will be available. Okay. Once again, I will tell that is, if there exists a string that is accepted by NFA or DFA or epsilon NFA, then there will be a regular expression equivalent. Okay. Next, we can see the two examples for regular expressions. The regular expression for the string containing exactly one A. There may be any letters, but in that string there should be only at least one A. So we can have this form, that is B or C, closure A, B or C. In this, the string may be before and after the A may be empty. So we can have only A. Suppose if there is another chance B or C means it will be B or C and A and again B or C. Okay. Next example we can see string over input alphabet, that is A and B, with 3 consecutive B's. The condition is that the before one there should be at least one A. Here there should be consecutive B's, 3 B's. So we can have that as first. Next we can append A or B hashtag and A or B hashtag. Before and after that we can have any substrings. Okay. Next we can see the Kleene theorem. According to this theorem, what we have told, the same thing only. To each regular expression there will be corresponding NFA. Similarly, to each NFA there corresponds a regular expressions. We can see some basic NFAs for the strings, for some strings. Okay. For empty string epsilon, we can have 2 states 0, 1. By accepting the epsilon, it moves from 0 to 1. Next, for input symbol A, we can have similarly for the previous one. From state 0, accepting the input symbol, it goes to 1. Next, for union of A, B. A or B, A plus B is known as union of A, B. Here we can have 0 and we can, from accepting A, it will goes to 1. By accepting B, it will goes to start state. For concatenation, we can have in same line itself. A, that is by accepting A, it will go from 0 to 1. By accepting B, it will goes to 1 to 2. This is very important. This is string closure A star. Here we can have the A in between. The remaining things we can have as a epsilon. Now we can see the regular expression from finite automata. Previous we have seen how to bring finite automata from regular expression. We can see here how to bring regular expression from finite automata using the Kleene's theorem. According to Kleene's theorem, if there is a NFA or DFA, there should be equivalent regular expression. Okay, we have to find the regular expression for this NFA. We can see the formula. The formula is that Rij of K is equal to Rij of K minus 1 plus Rik of K power K minus 1 into Rkk of K minus 1 closure into Rkj of K minus 1. Here K is nothing but it will be more than or equal to the number of states. Here I will be the initial state, J will be the final state. So we have to find the intermediate transition and states between I and J using the condition that there is not more than number of states higher than the K. Now we can see how we are deriving this here. Here already we have told the number of states we have to consider first. Here number of states is 2, Q0 and Q1. So n value is 2. So we are assigning K is also 2. Next, by applying the K value, I value, J value in the equation, we get R12 of power 2 equal to R12 power 1 plus R12 power 1, R22 power 1 closure, R22 1. Let us consider this as the basic equation, equation number 1. If we find this, we will get the regular expression for this finite Now we can split this into two things. The main thing is that as the 2 is the final state, we have to find the R12 and R22. Because these two are the major states, we have to find the regular expression for these two states. Okay, first we can see how we can find for R12. As k value is here 1, we have to find the previous value k minus 1, that will be 0. So R12 power 1 equal to R12 power 0 plus R11 power 0, R11 power 0 closure, R12 power 0. Let us we have this as equation number 2. Next we have to find the R22 power 1. Similar thing here also, R22 power 0 plus R21 power 0, R11 power 0 closure, R12 power 0. The basic for all of these three will be that basic formula. Applying that we are getting equation 1, 2 and 3. Now for finding the values, this equation 2 and 3, we need the values for R11, R12 and R21 and R22. Now we can find the values for these. Now let us assign when k equal to 0, what will be the values for these. If we find these values, we can substitute here. We can find solve equation 2, 3. After solving this, we can substitute in 1 and we can get the regular expression. Okay. So now we can consider R11 of 0. Here R11 of 0 will be, here what it is doing, by accepting in state 0, it will be goes to the 1. So here it will be 1, in the state 1 it is 1. So we are telling epsilon plus 1. As it is 1 closure, we are telling 1 will be epsilon plus 1. Next we have to see 1, 2 of 0. Here from 1 to 2, it is by moving, by accepting the symbol 0. Next for 2, 1, it will be 5. Okay. There is no transition from second state to first state. So it is 5. Next we can see the transition in the second state itself. It will be 0 and 1. So we are, as it is closure, we are writing R22 equal to epsilon plus 0 plus 1. I will tell, first we have to consider the transition in the state 1 itself. Here we are considering this as state 1, this as state 2. In 1, by accepting 1, it will be epsilon plus 1. In the state from state 1 to 2, by accepting 0, it is going here, so it is 0. Here from 2 to 1, there is no transition, so it is 5. Next for the state 2, it remains here by epsilon 0 and 1. Next, by substituting these values in equation 2 first, we will get, if we substitute 1, 2 of 0 is what? 0. Next we get R11 of 0 is epsilon plus 1. Next for R11 of 0 we will substitute epsilon 1 closure. Next for R12 of 0 is 0. So we get this. Again if we simplify this, we can get 0, 1 star 0. Next by simplifying this we will get 1 star 0. This is the value for the equation 2. Next for the equation 3, if we substitute these values, we can get epsilon for R22 we will get epsilon 0 plus 1. For R21 it is 5. For R11 it is epsilon plus 1 closure. For R12 it is 0. Again if we simplify this we will get epsilon plus 0 plus 1. So these two are the values of equation 2 and equation 3. If we substitute the values of equation 2 and 3 in the equation 1, we can get this. Okay. For 1, 2 of 1, we are substituting 1 star 0 plus for 1, 2 of 1, we are substituting 1 star 0. Next for R22 power 1, we are substituting epsilon plus 0 plus 1 closure. R22 we are substituting epsilon z plus 0 plus 1. If we simplify, we will get 1 closure 0 into 0 plus 1 closure. So this will be the final. How we are getting means, this is the already I have told, this is the basic formula you have to keep in mind for converting FA into regular expression using the Kleen's theorem. I will be the initial state, J will be the final state, K will be the number of intermediate states between I and J, Then if you substitute in this case, the starting will be 1, the ending will be 2, number of states will be 2. By substituting these values here, we will get the answer 1 closure 0 into 0 plus 1 closure. Today we can see about obtaining regular expression from finite automata using the eliminating states. Previously we have seen how to obtain regular expression from finite automata using Kleen's theorem. Okay, this is the given finite automata. Here there are 4 states, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. First we can see which is the state can be removed. Here if you see the Q3, here there is a transition from Q1 to Q3. Again there is a transition from Q2 to Q3. There is self loop also, there is no outlet, so there is no transition from the Q3. So we have identified this Q3 as the dead state. First we have to remove this dead state. If we remove the dead state, we can get the resultant FA as like this. Here we will have the Q0, Q1, Q2. Here also similarly if you see, instead of Q1 we can replace it in the Q0 itself. See here, from accepting 0 it is going to Q1, again it is coming back to Q0. So instead of this we can loop in Q0 itself. If you do like this, the resultant FA will be like this. Here instead of this 0, 1, we have replaced it by the self loop within the Q0. That is 0, 1. Now we are having similarly in case of this also we are having 0, 1, that is accepting 1 it is going to Q1 and accepting 0 it is going to return back to Q0. Again we can replace by the self loop within the Q0. If we replace it, we can get the final state, that is Q0 with 0, 1 or 1, 0. So the resultant regular expression is 0, 1 or 1, 0 closure. In step 1, we are going to remove the Q3, which is the dead state. Why it is dead state means all the edges connected to Q3 can be removed. So it is a dead state. Again in step 2, what you are doing, instead of Q1 can loop back string 0, 1 on Q0 as shown in the figure below. Next step 3, what we are going to do means here the string 1, 0 that comes back to Q0 can be replaced by another loop with the edge labeled 0, 1 as shown below. We can see how we can bring regular expression into finite automata. This is another method. In previous examples we have seen there will be dead state. After removing the dead state, we will be convert this into a generalized graph where we will find the regular expression. Here in this given finite automata is this, we have to convert this into the generalized graph, that is here Q0 and Q1 will be there. Here 3 states are there. We have to convert this into the generalized and afterwards we have to find the regular expression. Okay. Here there are 3 states Q0, Q1, Q2. There is one final state, there is no dead state, but we have to convert this into a generalized graph, that is we have to eliminate at least one state. In case here we can eliminate a state Q1, here it should be replaced by another loop. Here already there is one self loop in Q0, 1. So we after eliminating this Q1 we will get the transition diagram like this. Here the 0, 1 and again 1 will be replaced by here. So 1 plus 0, 1 closure, this 0. So the transitions from Q0, Q1 and again Q1 from Q0 will be replaced here in this Q0 self loop. That is 0, 1 closure, 0 will be here. Next afterwards what are the transition from Q1 will be written here. Here the 0, 1 closure, 1 will be here. So this is the generalized graph of this given finite automata. So what are the regular expressions? This will be R1. Next this will be R2. There is no R3, so it is empty. Next R4 is 0, 1. So this is the generalized graph of the given figure. The next is we can from this we can find out the R1, R2, R3, R4. R1 is 1 plus 0, 1 closure 0. R2 is 0, 1 closure 1. R3 is there is no R3, so this is empty. R4 is 0 plus 1. That is 0 or 1. Then there is